is once you get your braces, you'll kind of be like a brand ambassador to getting braces, because after I got braces, anyone who knew that I got braces comes to me and asks me doubt, and I'm like, dude, you should really get braces. Dude, you should really get braces. It is really fun. Like, it is all worth it and stuff like that. That is kind of a thing now. Like, whoever gets braces, they'll definitely recommend someone to go get braces. You'll feel good. You'll be like, yes, this is it. Okay, so the number 12 is, I never knew that I would require another kind of a toothbrush, and this is it. Like, I really hope you can see. It is this small, and the use of this is it can go inside and between the braces, and you'll be able to get out the food stuck in your braces, and this is really helpful. Definitely recommend you this. This is on Amazon. I guess it is called Pixter, so it is really worth it. You should definitely get one. Okay, so the next thing is, I really thought it is going to be a very long process, like a very long journey, and you'll be like, कब time आएगा? But trust me, time flies when you have braces. Like, every month you have to go for an appointment. I started last month, June or July, I don't really remember, and now it is almost a year, and I really didn't realize how time flies so fast when you get braces. Okay, number 14 is something like very personal. I feel it. I don't know about others or something like that. Oh, after I knew about retainers, okay, but after getting braces, unless you finish your braces journey, you're never really prepared for retainers. Like, you don't know how retainers are going to be. You don't know how many months or years you're going to put retainers, but I know that it is for a very long time, like I guess a year or 2 years, something like that. But I'm really not prepared for retainers at all, and I'm still not prepared. So you can never be prepared for retainers until you get them. Okay, number 15 is about extractions. So this is very beginning ka part, and I really wasn't prepared for extractions or something like that, but I knew that kuch to ukhadenge, but ye nahi pata tha. Then remove my 4 teeth, like upper 2 teeth and lower 2 teeth were removed, because my case was like overcrowding, and I had teeth ke upar teeth and idhar bhi, and I didn't knew this until I was like, yeah, I'm going to get my braces, and then the dentist says that you will have to go through 4 extractions first. I'm like, okay. The first night of extractions are really painful, so yeah, you will have to go through that. Okay, number 16 is, your journey might increase or decrease, depends on how you attend your monthly appointments, or how your teeth is like moving, the movement of the teeth and stuff like that. You have to attend every month ka appointment, because if you miss it, then it is definitely going to increase, because unless you don't miss it, only then there are chances that decrease ho jaye journey. But if you're going to miss it, then it is going to increase, so please don't miss your monthly appointments. Okay, so the 17th one is, there will be gaps, which I never knew. I didn't have gaps, like maybe gaps nahi the that were really visible or something like that, but after getting braces, I really got gaps. Like, if you see my previous videos or something like that, I'll have gaps idhar, like I guess still hair. So I really didn't know until I had that gap, and I was like freaking out, why do I have gap, is it going good or not? But then you will have gap until your last month of braces journey comes. Everything will be thoda ulta pulta, bear with it, you will be fine. 18th one is a little weird, because I never really thought I'll get used to braces. I was always the person who thought that I'll never get braces in my life, but then I did. Now I don't want my braces to come out, because I'm so used to it, and I'm not prepared for the rest of my life. How will I be without braces? So I never really knew that I would get so used to having braces. And number 19 is very weird. People will ask you so many weird questions for which you have no answers or no explanations for. They'll ask you very weird questions. One of the weirdest questions I got, like I feel it was the weirdest question that I ever got, and it is very uncommon. Like, I never heard of this question before. One of my friend asks me, how do I sleep? Like, if I'm sleeping like this on my pillow, then isn't my braces like on my cheek पूरा cut हो जा रहा है, ऐसा कुछ? I really don't remember the question exactly. I don't even remember who asked me this, but yeah, that was a very weird question. And no, it doesn't happen like that. You are all good. It is all normal. Be prepared for, you have to answer weird questions if you're going to get braces. And the final one is that it is all worth it. After getting braces, you'll realize that all this process and all this journey, you'll always feel so positive, like okay, after a few months I'm going to have a great smile and great teeth, like perfect smile and stuff like that. But it is all worth it in the end. All the pain, all the appointments, all the treatments and stuff like that, not able to eating food, getting food stuck in your braces and all that stuff is all worth it. And for those who think that your teeth is perfect, you have a perfect smile, you really shouldn't get a braces, then it is totally fine. You really shouldn't get braces if you feel like that. But what I want to put out there is that I was always the person who thought that, I'm perfect, I really don't need braces to, make my smile perfect. I was completely alright with whatever ajeebo garib teeth I had, but I was completely fine. I really loved my teeth and I still love my old teeth. It's not that I don't love it, I still do. But the point I want to put out there is that sometimes you need to get braces because your teeth are irregular in shape, which will cause a problem in future. So in my case, what the problem was, because it was very irregular and there was overcrowding of teeth, I had my wisdom tooth come out as Tera. It still didn't come out because I guess I have to go through a little extraction of that. It will be kind of a surgery thing because it is Tera and not straight. So it is because of your irregular shape of teeth. So you really have to get braces for such kind of things because it is going to harm you in the long term, and that is the reason why dentists recommend you to get braces. So yeah, you are perfect as you look right now. You'll always will be. So yeah guys, that was it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope these 20 different things really might help you out in some way or the other. Also, let me know if you want to know about braces, like everything about braces, any question and answer kind of a video. I'll be more than happy to do it and help you guys out. And if you like this video and you like my videos in general, please hit that like button. Also guys, a new announcement in my channel that from next video onwards I'll be going to give a shout out to my favorite comment of the week. And what you have to do is you have to subscribe to my channel, turn the post notification bell icon on, and you have to comment down below I got this, so that I know that you did it. And yeah guys, that was it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.